We have many wonderfulness here. There's just so much. I just want to tell everybody that with the staff that's here, they're very caring, be it from the area of housekeeping right on through those who are part of the dining room, the people that serve us, just everyone here, the staff and administration, everybody looks out for us. We have many wonderful activities that are exciting and purposeful and helping us to become more acquainted with friends and people who live here. Also, that we go out to a lot of exciting places in Hillsborough County and surrounding areas. It's an ongoing, all the time, wonderfulness of going and being. And truly one of the wonderfulness that I was so grateful for when I came here is that it's a very Christian atmosphere. All peoples of all faiths come together, and we treat one another with love, and we have the most beautiful chapel. And every day, if you want to go, just to go and be quiet in the chapel and have your time in prayer, or if you want to come to morning mass, we have morning mass every day, which is just awesome. That's one of the big reasons that I decided I wanted to come, because of the Christian atmosphere of love.